Okay, now in this video I'm going to show you concatenate. Am I saying it right? Concatenation. Concatenate. For example, you don't have the item B and your assignment is to complete this column. So the column would be item code. You will create the item code. So as we can see from this side, there's a 0 after 4. So to make it faster than using any other formula, insert 0. Okay, and then from this line G, you will create the concatenate. Concatenate is like combining 4 columns C, D, E, and F. So equals concatenate the formula first. Concatenate, and then add this C, comma D, E, and then the F. Okay, enter. You see the combination of this and that one. So concatenate has been created at this row. Now what you have to do now is to put all this file, copy paste, and add to here. When you're adding, for example, control copy, paste it at this side. Let's say okay, I want to paste it here. You can insert also. Okay, but you want to create something that's without the formula. So look at that. When we select the values only, it will show you the whole value. Is it the same? They're the same. Okay, so we're done. Bugatti. Bugatti. Oy, lambing. Shoot, gotch. Shoot, gotch. Chaba chung chung. Chaba chung chung, gotch. Gotch. Chaba chung chung, gotch ko. Chaba chung chung, gotch ko yan. Chubby, oh. Alright. Chubby. Ay, taray.